How to fix a flash on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that can fix your problem. So let's get started with updating our Snapchat application. Head over to your Play Store or your App Store, then search for Snapchat. Make sure that you see open instead of update. In case you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now for the next step, launch your Snapchat application and simply get logged into your account. Here, tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left and then tap on the gear icon. And here also you have to clear the cache within the Snapchat application itself. Scroll all the way below, you will see clear cache under account actions. Open it, tap continue. Once this is done, see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you have to uninstall your Snapchat. So long tap onto it, tap onto uninstall, reinstall again, and this shall work. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.